So what happened actually? A dolphin which was listening to the music sang by Arion, the Greek poet and musician, carried him safely to other shore. Okay, it safeguarded his life. Now Flucknow is here exposing Shadwell's pretensions as musician. Shadwell வந்து உண்மையிலே ஒரு பெரிய musician இல்ல. He is a pretension. He pretends to be a great musician. பாவலா பண்றான் great musician மாதிரி Arion மாதிரி. So he compares Shadwell to Arion and he says, see, Shadwell is showing his work in a violent manner. Each line, whatever he composes, each scene, whatever he composes, okay, in that play, he composes in a violent manner. He அப்படி பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும்போது, okay, what happens? See, the lute is still trembling underneath thy nail, at thy well sharpened thumb from shore to shore. While he was playing that lute, அவன் அந்த லூட்டை பிளே பண்ணும்போது what happened? His sharp and the nailed finger, okay, it just broke the string. It broke the string. See, the lute still trembling, okay, trembling. அதுக்கே ஒரு நடுக்கம் ஏற்பட்டுருச்சான். Trembling, shivering, okay. Underneath thy nail, your nail, Shadwell's nail, at thy well sharpened thumb, thumb, of course you know, periviral, from shore to shore, while he was playing that music, that string was cut off because he was playing in such a violent manner. Not like Arion. It is not like Arion. Arion, he was playing the music and singing a sweet song, but here அப்படி oppositely he parodies. Okay, the treble squeaks for fear. What happened? It produces a squeaking sound or a loud sound instead of soft music that should flow from a lute. லூட்ல இருந்து இனிமையான சவுண்ட் வரணும். ஆனா இங்க அப்படி ஒரு awkward, noisy, violent sound they could hear. Okay, treble basses you have all seen in what is it, the home theater we have, no, home theater, treble basses, what is it? What is the meaning of those words? Have you ever checked? Treble is nothing but the high pitched voice. Okay, high pitched voice, that's what treble. Treble means ரொம்ப ஹையா சவுண்ட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்றது, அதான் treble. Okay, bass is ஏப்பா டம் dim டம் dim, that sound we could hear.
Beat of sound.
What pa?
Beat.
What, Devadarshan?
Beat, ma'am.
Beating sound, that beep, beating sound, all those sounds. Okay, very good. So the treble squeaks when he sings, when he produces music, it squeaks, squeak, rat squeaks, we say. Rat sound squeaks like that. It produces such an awkward sound for fear. The basses roar. Okay, echoes from pissing alley. Shadwell call, just a minute. Shadwell call, and Shadwell, they resound from Aston Hall. See here, the lute will trembling underneath the nail. It has cut off the string. And the வீணையில உள்ள string-ஐயே cut பண்ணிருச்சு. Okay, the musical instrument string was cut off because he sings in a violent manner. And echoes from pissing alley. Alley is alley. Have you heard of alley? Just a minute. Treble is the highest male or female voice. Okay, you write treble is T-R-E-B-L-E. Treble is the highest male or female voice. Bass is nothing but the lowest sound in music. Okay, that's what we call bass, the lowest sound in music. The treble expresses a feeling of fearness. The music is being murdered. சுத்தமா சங்கீத அந்த இனிமையை கொலை பண்ணிட்டான் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு ட்ரைடன் இங்க. Okay, he has murdered that softness in that music. He has murdered that softness in that music. Okay, just a minute. Pissing alley, it is a lane. It is a lane. Just I shall type here. Lane is nothing but, can anyone answer? What do you mean by lane? What is lane? I have told you, lane. Sandhu. Street, teru. Lane, sandhu. Okay. Then another word I shall type here. Cul-de-sac. Cul-de-sac. It is also connected to the word lane. Muttachandu. Okay. Cul-de-sac means Muttachandu. Okay, there won't be any way. Okay, come to this context. Echoes from Pissing Alley. Pissing Alley, it is a lane between the Strand and Holywell Street in London. Okay, I will write here. It is a lane between the Strand, S-T-R-A-N-D, Strand and Holywell. Holywell. These are all the streets in London. இதுக்கும் இதுக்கும் இருக்கிற இடையில. Okay, a lane between the Strand and the Holy streets. Okay, in London. That is what Pissing Alley. Understood, pa? What is Pissing Alley? One of you answer. What is Pissing Alley?
Lane between the Strand and Holy Streets in London.
Very good. Okay. Now, again, I shall tell you, after that I will explain this meaning. Aston Hall. Aston Hall is a palatial building. Okay. Aston Hall is a palatial building. Just I shall type here. P-A-L-A-T-I-A-L. Palatial building. Aston Hall in London. And again, there is a reference. What is palatial? From the word, you can guess the meaning. Palace, palatial. Can anyone answer? Palatial.
அரண்மனை.
Very good. Palace. Okay. ரொம்ப சிறப்பு வாய்ந்த, magnificent, also another meaning. Okay, magnificent, palatial. palatial, magnificent, we call. See, Aston Hall is a palatial building. And Aston was a poet, another third-rate poet. இப்ப இவனையும் விடல, Dryden. Okay. He introduces this new character, Aston. Okay. Aston was a scribbler of dull verses, he says. Right? Dryden says that Aston was a scribbler, S-C-R-I-B-B-L-E-R, scribbler of dull verses. போரிங்கா எழுதுவார். இப்படி போரிங்கா இப்படி நான் டீச் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்ல அது மாதிரி. Okay, like that he used to write dull verses. Okay, Aston Hall is a palatial building. What the poet says, about thy boat the little fishes throng, as at the morning toast that floats along. See, now you compare to that, come to that Arion. Then Arion wanted to escape from his enemies. He jumped into the river and he was safeguarded by a dolphin. It carried on its shoulder. Okay, but here what happened, when Thomas Shadwell is singing the song, when he is producing the music with his flute or lute, okay, in a violent manner, little fishes in the river water, they just came nearer to Shadwell. Okay, ivana chutti little fishes varudhu. That too, those fishes were not attracted by his song, but the pieces of bread or pieces of or crumbs also we can say, crumbs. Okay, the pieces of bread which is thrown, okay, along the boat's side. Boat சுத்தி இவன் போடுறான், அதை சாப்பிடுறதுக்கு அந்த மீன்கள் வருது. Those fishes, variety of fishes, plural term we can call fishes. Okay, so those fishes, they surrounded Shadwell's boat, not to listen to his song, but to pick up the crumbs of bread, to pick up the pieces of bread. Understood, pa? Again, I shall repeat, whether you could listen or not. Saying, here, Plucknow is exposing Shadwell's pretension. இவன் நடிக்கிறத சொல்றான். Okay, as a musician, he is such a great musician. அப்படிலாம் இல்ல, he is just a pretension. Okay, he is a pretension. He is going about his work in a violent manner. No one likes his work. Okay, he says, because he produces such a squeaking loud sound instead of soft music. This is the explanation of these poetic lines. Shadwell, they resound from Aston Hall. Okay, from that palace, he could produce sounds in a violent manner. Anga dolphin varudhu, but here there are only fishes. That too, they were not attracted by the songs of Shadwell, but just for pieces of crumb it comes. Understood, pa? I shall stop up to this. Again, I shall continue in the next class.